guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today I have a quick grocery haul for you guys. So I went to the farmers market. I just got back and I am doing some prep to do my 3-day juice cleanse, and I just bought a juicer I think a couple days ago. I think I posted the juicer as well on our Instagram story, so if you're following us on Instagram you would have already seen it, but I'll show you guys here. So this is the juicer I bought. It's a Bella high powered juice extractor, and it has 2 speeds. So I'm gonna prep this by just rinsing it out and stuff for my juicing, but I wanted to show you it. So my juicer, I got it from Best Buy, but this video is all about my grocery stuff that I went and picked up, my stuff for juicing my fruits and veggies. So I'm just gonna show you that while I prep to wash them and stuff. So let's go. So the first thing I'm gonna start with is these. Oh, my pineapple, I think it fell. It's so soft. So I bought 2 pineapples. 2 pineapples. Just gonna put them up here for now. So I got 2 pineapples. I got 1 watermelon. What else? Let's go through this. This is parsley. I bought parsley because I'm gonna do this tea. There's a tea cleanse. I may do a video on it, so I just bought some fresh parsley for that. I bought some beetroots, so I'm gonna wash these. So I'm gonna put that in the sink. I got a whole bag of ginger, because you know you need ginger. I like a little kick in my drink, so that. I bought some kale, so I have kale here. And excuse the lighting in my kitchen, it's not the best, but hey, this is what I'm working with right now. So I bought some kale. These blueberries I bought, they were on sale for I think $1.99. So I got this. I think I'm gonna freeze them for like a smoothie after my 3-day thing. This is not this. This is some okras I bought for my mom. I bought a bag of orange. We love orange. Like every week we have to have this. So yeah. So I bought some orange for my smoothie too. That's not part of it. And I got some celery. I got 2 things of celery. I bought extra because I'm not the only one probably drinking this, so I want to have enough so I can make a lot so my family can have some too. Oh, this is for my mom. This is some pak choy and broccoli for her as well. And I always get this when I go to the farmers market. These are the ginger honey crystal tea. So the ginger tea, we like it. So anytime I go, I pick up a bag. And I know these are not part of my detox, but I just want to show you. I got these jerk seasoning from there too. But as I said, those are not a part of it, but I'm just showing you what I picked up. And I picked up one of these English cucumbers for a salad after my 3-day. So yeah. What is this? And they had what is this again? Cauliflower. So I'm gonna make some cauliflower rice with this, so I picked this up. And as I say, some of this stuff is for after my 3-day detox, so I can still, eat healthy. Okay, so a part of my juicing, this is turmeric. I got a whole thing of turmeric here. Let me need to wash this too. So I'm gonna put that there. This is what? Some Maggi seasoning. Not for me. Okay, what else? I got some orange for when I make my green drink. No, apples, not orange, apples. And I got a whole bag of lemons. They had these at the farmer's market, 5 for $1. So I just picked up, no, 5 for $2. So I just picked up 10 of them. And got some sweet potatoes. Those are for after, so I can bake. And a bag of carrots, a 5-pound bag. What else? What else? And I picked up some coconut water. So I got 2 of those. So those are all the stuff I got from the farmer's market, and it wasn't bad. I think I spent around $70, so that's not bad to me for all these produce that I got. So because some of the stuff was on sale. Then I went to Kroger because they didn't have any of the cucumbers that I wanted, so I went to Kroger to get some. It's not all organic, guys, but it's okay. I got some additional potatoes and stuff at Kroger. They had them on sale, so I picked them up. Not that. I don't know if you guys know about these salad bowls, but I picked up one of them just to have. But yeah. So I got me some cucumbers, and these are some cherries they had on their little reduced price for 99 cents. So I'm gonna freeze these as well with my blueberries to make some smoothie after my cleanse. So, and the other thing I want to show you. So, I went to Kroger because I need containers to store my drink because I'm going to make them for like the whole three days. So, I picked up these mason jars. I have a few around here, but it's not, all of them, I got them from the dollar store, and I don't think they're the size that I wanted. So, I picked these up. They were priced for... This is what, 12 of them, and they were priced for $12.98, but they had them on sale for like $8.99. So I got all 12 for actually $9. So I can't beat that. So these are what I'm gonna be storing my juice in. So I'm just gonna wash my veggies, guys, and prep for my Hey guys, so I'm back again. So I just wanted to pause and just say that I'm just gonna prep these as well to get a couple of them washed, and as well wash this out before I use it. So I'm just gonna show that to you guys. So I'm gonna start with set this little mat down to use it as my drying mat.